Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs. Today we are going to look at a whole bunch of Instagram accounts that you can get motivation from. They play drums, and by watching those accounts and by listening and by learning, you might get some ideas on how you can be a better drummer. Get some patterns that you can put into your playing and become better. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Let's try and get 180 likes for this video. Okay, let's move on. Coming up at number 1, we have Jairus Yoakley. Just imagine water, right? Water. You know how smooth water is? He's smooth like water. Do I need to say more? And he puts out a constant stream of videos. So every day, instead of going and just scrolling through random stuff, you would get to see some stuff that would inspire you. Number 2, we have Sarah Thawa. She is something else. That's all I'm going to say. Next up, we have James Murphy. Okay, James Murphy has this whole room thing. In fact, you know, when I looked at his room, and I was inspired to do the foam on the walls and the dead sound, and he has this ghost note thing going on. That sounds so delicious. Next up, we have Carlin Mccullough. Carlin Mccullough is like very well-rounded dude, a very well-rounded drummer. You know, he has like this company that does shared tracks, really good tracks you can share along with, and he puts out drum videos constantly. He's a really good drummer. You should check out his videos. And he's really nice too, you know. Next up, Taylor Gordon. I used to watch her back in the days when she was at Berkeley. She used to do this series, The Road to Chops. Road to Chops. It was good. It was good. Next up, we have Cyrus Vaziri. He's a big-time drummer on Instagram, so probably you will have run into some videos of him. He plays really neat stuff. Next up, we have Anika Niles. I never know how to mention it, but she is fire. she's fire with like the quintuplets and all kinds of odd groupings, odd patterns. She's next up. We have Grayson Necrozman. So primarily he's a jazz drummer. He does a lot of like big band jazz stuff. And he's always playing along with some kind of like old video and playing the exact same thing as the old video. Next up, we have Kelly Casey. I don't know where she's from, but probably Latin America. But she has like a really consistent, smooth sound. Next up, we have Joel Tercote. Tercote. Sorry, I don't know how to mention this. I'm sorry. You see conventional drumming, people play like on the 16th notes, on the triplets, and like when you hear it, you've heard it before. But this was like really off and it was messing with my head in a good way. And I was like, oh, this guy is good. Next up, we have the hybrid drummer. And the aim of this video is not to compare one drummer to the other, but like getting a whole bunch of drummers that we can pick things from. And this drummer, the hybrid drummer, from time to time, he plays some things that I'm able to pick from, and it gives me new perspectives, new ideas of how to approach other things. Next up, we have Mason Guidry. All the notes. Next up, we have JP Bouvet. He breaks it down into different pieces that when you put together, it makes your drumming sound unique, but the basis of which anyone can learn, you know? Next up, we have Joshua Foster. He plays a lot with artists and he's really like musical. And it doesn't mean that any drummer that is not on this list is not musical. It's just that the list will be like 500 names long and this video wouldn't end. So this is just a selection of some of the drummers I like. This is not all of them, just some of them. So if you don't see a name here, just leave it down in the description so we can all go check it out. Next up, we have Mike Johnston. I don't think he needs an introduction. Next up, we have Michael N. William. I think he's a Nigerian drummer. And whew! Next up, we have Kofi Ima, a drummer from Ghana. He plays really nice stuff. He plays with artists. Next up, we have David Kohler. He posts really consistently on Instagram. His videos give ideas of things that you could possibly be doing, approaches to how you should think about music slightly differently from the conventional way, which is always good. Next up, we have Raghav Malhotra. Did I say it well? I don't know. Probably messed up the name. I'm sorry. He is something else. Just watch this. Next up, we have Young Chuck. Young Chuck plays drums and sometimes plays bass. Next up, we have Josh Song. He has consistently good videos. Next up, we have TK Johnston. She is a beast. All kinds of fire. These kind of things shouldn't discourage you. It shouldn't make you feel like bad about what you're doing. It should actually make you want to do better because you have examples of things that people are doing that are amazing. So it pushes you to also want to get to that level. That's the whole point of this. Next up, we have the Jonathan Newman. the touch, the feel. He's not like playing a whole bunch of chops and blazing all over the place, but the feel. Next up, we have Dave Jazzy, a drummer from Ghana. He puts out videos regularly. Next up, we have Madden Class. It feels like she's really precise with every single stroke that hits. Next up, we have Kami Akami Key. The grooves she plays have a lot of independence going on. She's playing all sorts of like ethnic patterns. Her page is a good page to look at patterns and things to help me build up my independence. So you should check out. Next up, we have this dude, River Lord Gloss. I don't know what you want me to say right now. Seriously. Next up, we have Jaystiqs. Obviously. Jaystiqs. Okay, I hope you found something good. I hope you found some Instagram accounts that you didn't know about that you can go check out and improve your learning, improve your drumming, give yourself new ideas. Instead of scrolling and looking at pictures of cats and stuff, you can be scrolling through drum videos that would inspire you to learn and become better as a drummer. So that's the whole point of this video. So check them out, give them a follow if you would like to give me a follow too. Okay, this has been your boy Jaystiqs. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. If you're not new here and you've not subscribed, come on son, and hit the like button and let's try and get some likes in, because the likes help. It helps this video to go out to more people who can come in and we grow and we become bigger. So hit the like button. This has been your boy Jaystiqs, and stick with it. Peace.